the mask. Fuck nigga, and I got corona. Yeah, what's up? Fuck you too.
Hey, hey.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
My property.
You about to get your ass beat up. Now you about to get beat the fuck up. Yeah, now you about to get beat the fuck up. Now you about to get beat the fuck up. What's up?
You don't touch my property. You don't buy it. You don't buy it.
I don't give a fuck.
I bought it. I work hard for it.
You're not in the middle of nowhere.
So
what's up? Hell no.
So
Bitch ass
did it like this?
Kick us out in the middle of the fucking thing? Are you stupid? I really have to like do something.
Did I told you to get out in the gas station?